What's up, YouTube? This is FlameBro55, and today I'm going to be doing a team deathmatch Nerf war with some of my friends, Ollie, Gage, and Andrew. It's Ollie and I versus Gage and Andrew in the battle. It's one shot, one kill. You're dead when you get shot. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Where are you dead?
Oh, I'm dead.
Ooh.
Okay, Andrew is out. Ah! Dang it. Ollie is out. Me versus Gage. Who will win?
Obviously me.
Yeah, you wish, son. Oh, nice, man. And Gage has died. So, Ollie and I have won the team deathmatch battle. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Later.